Just let it turn on. It
Yes.
will take some 1.5 minutes or so.
Okay. Okay.
It's the sound had stopped. I hope I can switch on the
Yes.
UV bridge.
The
Right?
yes UV detector you can switch it on. Yeah, that will take around 5 minutes time to initialize.
Yeah.
So
Let me
later
see
you
which
can.
one it shows, right?
Yes. 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 It will show.
So
So now lamp lighting
le-
it will be there. So later it
yeah,
will be lamp warming. It will change
yeah,
for
it
five
is
minutes.
warming up. Let me
Yes.
show the
Yes.
screen there again. So it will flash how much time is required. 4 minutes, one
Exactly.
minute.
Exactly.
And
Exactly. Exactly. Let it be. Let it be. Let it comes to
okay,
ideal. In the meantime, you can switch on the down and OptiLab as well. The malls. The wired
lighting.
two yes, wired detectors you can switch on.
Okay.
So that let it be go switch on for 5 minutes. So
So
down.
should I just interrupting you? Should I wait the lamp to be fully glowed?
No, let it be comes to fully glow. Meantime, you can switch on the dawn also, dawn and OptiLab. Malls and RI also
Oh,
you can switch on. Okay.
okay, dawn and
Yes.
optilam. So
Yes.
this are switched on
It's a
first.
yes. It's a gentle press.
Yeah, gentle place, dawn switched on, and I'm going for optilam.
Yes.
Switched
OptiLab.
on.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Fine. Yes. So let it all the modules come to ideal. Then we can start flushing it.
So just a gentle request, Kaushik. It is recording, right?
Yes, it is recording. You can
Okay.
go to the PC and the left side you can able to see the timing.
Okay. Okay.
It
No problem.
is, yeah, it will be recording.
So it will take 2 minutes, right? Let me. I'm going to the office for just sign.
Yeah, yeah. You just ping me
Okay.
once you back. Okay.
Yeah. Just
I'll be available. Yeah. Hello.
Yeah, Kaushik, I'm here.
Yes. Yeah, you are here. Sorry, just came back.
Okay.
Where we are. So all the modules has been initialized, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, fine. And I'll just give me the control. Accept the control.
Yeah.
Yes. So now once all the modules has been uh came to ideal. Just a second.
Yeah. The hub is showing
Yes.
all 5 are green lights.
Yes. Now we'll go to the HPLC connect and we'll do the reset module.
Sure.
Let us see whether it is, yeah, it has to come to like initializing again. So you can see the hardware also, there will be light will be blinking. I have given the reset
Yeah.
module.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
then
This
this is, yes, if you see the communication figure, first you give the reset module here and these also will get initialized. Yes, getting ready, and this also will give reset module. Yes, yeah. So now everything will comes to ready state and here the error message will go. Yeah, it came to ready. Yes. Okay. So now this is the HPLC's LC's gets ready and we'll go to the Astra and we'll select the instruments. So none of the instruments are in ready state. I will go here and I will refresh. Yes. So it automatically detects the hardware. No need of configuration and other settings. Okay. Yeah. So now everything comes to ready state. So we'll go to the HPLC connect. The very first thing we have to do the seal wash, I told you, right? Yeah.
Yeah. First thing is
Yeah.
seals.
Yeah, you can control it actually. No, I don't want to. You can
Okay.
go to the seal. Yeah.
So first thing first is seal control.
Yes, seal wash. The pump module, right click.
Okay, so that will be time shield was, right?
Yes, prime seal wash. Yes, exactly. Yes,
Yes.
you can start it. So in the sample manager also you can right click.
Okay.
Yes. So this also prime you can give. Both, yeah,
Right.
both.
Okay.
Prime, then it will be around 20 seconds or anything you can give.
Yeah, so 20 seconds, right?
Yeah, 20 seconds and per cycle also cycles will be 20 seconds or something. Yeah, 20 seconds
Yeah,
is fine.
per solvent,
Yeah, per
one solvent
solvent.
is 20 seconds and cycle should be
Yes, 20
20,
cycles. Yes, cycles
20
also 20.
cycles.
Yes.
Right.
So per solvent it will wash the the syringe actually. So in front of the sample manager and needle wash is for wash solvent. Okay. So let it these things go and yeah. And the meanwhile you can give the flow with the you can click on the QSM.
Detector.
No, director let it.
QS.
Director we are not, yeah, QSM.
Okay.
Right click.
QSL. Right
Right
click.
click.
It is not taking.
Maybe the seal wash is going.
Yeah.
You can, yeah, you can right click and you can give the launch console. Maybe it's locked, it's showing. Okay. Let the seal was complete or else.
Let the seal was complete. I think this black will glow green, I think.
Yes. You just see the hardware side. What is going on? The hardware pump side. Is there any error or anything else?
So in priming part solvent, in pump it is showing that sample manager, no FTNR.
Okay. Yes, that is running. Maybe let it complete. Yeah, that let it complete. So after that you can give the pump priming as well as the flow also through the column. So now the column is attached right earlier. So I have not removed the column.
Column is at us. So let me check once again.
Yeah. You can
So-
ensure the tightness. Ensure the tightness of the column. Yeah, top side and yes.
Yeah.
Yes, it's tightened. Okay, fine. It will be you just little bit push
Loose.
hardly. No, little bit push it. The latch it has been locked, right?
No.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Yes. Now it is locked. Yes. Now yes, syringe purge is going on. So meanwhile, earlier I have flushed the instrument with the 80-20, the water methanol. So now we are flushing with completely water, seal wash and everything. So before giving to the A channel as a PBS, so we'll flush with the column and everything with water completely. Then we can introduce the PBS. So that is the idea. Okay. Let it complete. You can go to the hardware sample manager, the front side. The syringe purchase taking. You just open the small door. Yeah, syringe.
Right click? No, it is
No,
not taking
no.
any command.
No. In the hardware, the sample manager LED is
Okay.
glowing, right? Run button. Yeah, the syringe will be there. No, front side. The
Yeah, in a
syringe is
sample
glowing.
manager, yeah, this is.
The small door. Yes, the small door syringe where the syringe is fixed. Yes.
I should
No,
open
that
this.
next. No, the next door. Next, the small one. The sample
This one,
manager.
no?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. The
Oh,
syringe
it
purchase
is.
taken.
It is. It
Downside.
is.
Yeah, the
So
downside.
it
The
is-
syringe up and down moving. The syringe.
No, up and
That
down
is.
moving, but this is leaking.
Oh, that is leaking. Okay, you just tight it actually. You can take it and you can
Okay.
tight. Now it has been completed. You just anti-clockwise you rotate. Anti-clockwise. Yeah, it will come. You just lose it actually. You lose it.
Loose, right?
Lose it and you can hold the tube and you can tight it. That's it.
Okay. So let me
You just remove completely.
just a moment. It's trickling down.
Okay. You just fix some tissue. Yes.
So I
That is it. Yes. Fine. Yes. You just yeah. Okay. Maybe that's
just fine.
yes. Yes, you keep. Oh, not an issue.
It's fine. I have to bring some.
Yes. Yeah, no issue. You just fix it. Yeah, Let the tip of the tube, it should be visible project outside. Yes, you hold the tube and rotate the peak ferrule also. Yes, exactly. That's it. Yes, now it gets tighter. You wipe the wetted area. So near the syringe also. Just take some tissue. Yes. Yes. Now,
Just a moment.
yes.
Full of water.
Okay. No problem. Maybe that will go to drain. It just little bit wipe it up. It may go to drain.
Okay.
Yes.
Let me
Now,
look
yeah.
at this.
Yes. Now go to the software.
Now go to the software part.
Software.
Okay.
Yes, software part. Yeah, you just click on the QSM, Quaternary Solvent Manager pump.
Quaternary solvent manager. Yeah.
Yes. Yes. Now the seal was you untick it. Any of the seal
Yeah.
was you untick the seal was. Yes.
Okay.
Now it has been stopped. Now again click right click. Now we have to prime the pumping. Yes. Prime solvents you can give. Yes. Yes. Now prime by no, we don't want composition. Just click on yes, prime by solvent. Now A channel also A will be the PBS buffer and B also will prime it for only B channel also you can select B channel B. Yes. So each duration will be CD it's not rugged. So okay you do it no problem. So C and D also you can select it. So all channels will be in 3 minutes. So prime by composition we are not the gradient composition we are not going to give. So let the duration per line 3 minutes let it be. And final conditions you go to the final conditions.
Okay.
The last let the 0.5 it will be the ideal flow, let it be, and you just make A0 composition wise everything was 2020 you just click 0 0 directly, yes, and click on the B. Yes, now the B, we have given in this a B in the sense earlier the column has been stored in 80 water 20% methanol. Now we have kept in B channel as water. So let the water goes instead of A channel as PBS. Let the water flush the column completely. Okay, then we can add the buffer. So if I'm directly adding buffer, then it may damage the column as well as the instrument. Okay,
Understood.
yeah, understood. All the channels will be primed for 3 minutes, and after the priming gets completed, initially the flow goes for 0.5 ml in the B channel. Yes, you click on start.
So I said
Yes.
start, right?
Yes, start. Yes. Yeah, in the meantime, sample manager again you can give the purging. The sample manager, right click. Yes. Sample manager. No, sample manager in the sense this one. Yeah, sample manager is yes. Prime. Yes, priming again you give the same 20 cycles you can give. Will ensure whether leak coming from the syringe or not.
Okay. 20 cycles, right?
Yes. 20 cycles, not an issue. We can go to the hardware and check the syringe. It will be taking the up and down movement. So that time there should not be no leak from the syringe in the hardware. Now we have verified the syringe, right? Yes. Let it. Now the needle wash is going on. So the drain it will come. So once the needle wash is yes. The left side white color tube is there. No? That is needle wash.
There is no water.
Yes, there is no water now. Yes.
No
Now the
water.
syringe gets it's moving on. Is there any air bubble in the syringe? Yes. Is there any air bubble?
Up and down.
Yes. Is there any air bubble in the syringe? The top of
Air
the
bubble?
tip? No.
No.
Okay.
No.
Okay. It's clear. Yeah.
Just
Yeah.
a moment. Let me light on all the switches. What?
Yes. Okay.
So there is no bubble in this one.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Yeah. It's clear. Yeah. It's clear. Let it take for the 20 cycles. let it complete. And the pump side also you just open the QSM door, the pump door will be there, no?
Pump, no?
Yeah, pump door of the pump you
Oh,
open it.
pump
let it-
door. Okay.
Yeah, pump door. QSM. Yes, you just open it. Whether the flow is going outside properly or it is
Flowing on in this one flowing. Let me down this one.
yes.
So flow. No, there is
The
no. Okay, so it has been blocked. Wait. Yeah. Now the flow is coming.
yes. Okay, that's sometimes that will be airlock will be there. So
Okay, so this has been already filled up.
oh, that
Wait.
bottle. Okay, maybe you can change the bottle. You can drain the bottle and you can keep it back.
Yes. I need to, throw
Mhm.
this water.
Yeah, you can discard it and you can keep the empty bottle there.
Okay, perfect. Let me, throw this water. Give me 2 minutes of time.
Yeah, no, not an issue, not an issue. Meanwhile, the priming it's going on, right? So it should not
Yeah,
spill
yeah.
up outside.
So let me tilt the camera. So first I should ensure that this flow is okay. This is going on.
Yes. That should not
Yeah,
be
yeah.
seen in the
That
pump.
is basically,
Yeah,
let me
yes.
record it. So
Yes.
for this, please ensure that the bottle is not
Not
airlocked. It is
not
free
at
flow.
Yes. That is not fully filled with the solvents completely.
Yeah,
It
yeah.
should be drained. So frequently, the bottle you can make it like for drain. Okay. In the pump QSM coordinate solvent manager, so there will be a tray. So in that tray, all the solvents gets accumulated. So the proper flow of solvents should go through the drain tube and it gets settled in the drain bottle. In the tray, it was. Is there any other solvents there in the tray? The black color? No. In the downside of the pump.
Upside?
No. In the pump
Not
side. In the pump,
in the
there will be
pump
a tray,
side.
right? Yeah. Where the GPV and
Uh,
everything is there. Is there any flow? Is there solvents or anything? No.
Solvent, no, there is at present no flow.
Okay, fine. No issue. Not an issue. Okay. And now which channel priming is going on? C channel is going on. So now let it complete D also. So after all the channels priming gets completed, then it will take the flow from B channel. So then the instrument gets stabilized in water completely for half an hour or something. Then we can give the flow with the PBS also directly. And Soumik I need you just open the sample manager compartment door. Yeah, the main door. So where we are keeping the samples. You can take the tray out. Just pull the tray. Yes. Yes. In the H, yeah, the BSA, in which position I have kept it? In the A?
In the A, okay, it
Yes,
is
yes.
written BSA. You can
Yes,
see if it
BSA.
is showing clearly.
Yes.
BSA 12025.
Okay, okay.
You
How
are
much the
keeping it in
A1? Yeah, how much the quantity? Is it sufficient? We are going to give 1 or 2 injections. I am
one or
not.
two injections. So this,
It's
let me tell me, this one is
this
2
is
ml, right?
this is the 2 ml vial. The center one is 1 ml. Now it
1
is
ml.
500.
So this is
500.
almost like 0.75 around.
Then it is fine. Then it is fine. Yeah, the same vial we can use it. Yeah.
Same while used
Yes.
in the.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. 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 Yeah. You can. That will be the protein sample, I guess. Yeah. Just
Okay.
pull
So
it back.
I'm inserting it.
Yes. 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 Directly. Just push fully to the end. Yes.
Okay. It is set.
Yes.
And
Yes. It is set. Yes. Now you can. Yeah. Close the door. That's it. Yes. Now let me. You just check the instrument. Okay. C channel prime is still going on. So
so how can you be, are you, okay, this,
in the software.
how
Yes.
can
In the
it be
software.
in
No.
the
In the software
software?
you can see. No. No. Not in the software. In the HPLC Connect only. See in the quadrant solving
HPLC.
manager, priming C, it is visible right in the left side. Priming
Okay,
C.
I mean, see this
Yes,
one,
yes,
no?
yes. Yes, priming C. And here in the C also set to 100%. Now the pump priming for C channel is going up. So it sets to 100%. Okay. Once that is completed, it will come to the D 100%. Then the command, it will come as priming D. Okay.
Okay.
Yes, yes, yes. In the meanwhile, one more time, you can give the sample manager purge also. And the right click on the sample manager, FTN. Yeah. Prime.
Prime.
Yes, exactly. Prime. Yes.
2020.
2020. Yes, 2020 cycles again. Yeah. So now in the pump side, if you see priming D, yeah, now D channel has been taken.
Yeah, it has taken D channel in
Yeah,
pump.
D channel. Yes, D channel. Now it will be around another 2 or 3 minutes. It will take 3 minutes. We have given each channel.
So I should
So
see water flow in this, right?
yes, 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 exactly. You just tilt the camera down.
Okay. So it is
Uh,
showing, right?
yes, yes, yeah. If you little bit tap the drain tube, the flow will be coming. Yes,
Yeah, it is
yes,
coming.
yes, 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 yes. Then
It
it will
is
be flow is
trickling
going on.
down.
Yes, 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 yes. That is fine. Yeah, this is fine.
Hey, Kaushal ji, this is
Yeah.
getting recorded, no?
Yeah, yeah, it is recording. You go to the
Okay.
software and the 1 hour time will be recorded here. Anyhow, once
So,
the our real session will start in the afternoon, right? So that time I will start from the beginning. Okay. It is
okay.
recording.
No.
It is recording, not an issue.
Once it is recording, just
We'll
I think I will upload it in one of the, I'll I'll upload it in the YouTube channel of this particular yeah,
yeah, yeah, yeah, yeah. That will be fine.
so that all can see this.
Yes, yes, exactly.
Hey, Sumalda. Hey, Sumalda. আপনার ট্যাংটা বলতে বুঝতে পারবে গো?
Samik ji, I need a control of that. You just approve the request.
Okay. So give control. Oh, sometime it is cutting, right?
Yes, it's
We're
it is
getting
disabling.
disconnected.
I'm not sure why it is. Okay. So now the priming, everything has been completed. So the 0.5 ml flow, it is going from the B channel. So it is initially the water wash. So before running with the PBS, we are flushing the instrument, column, and the LC system and the DON and everything with the water, only with the water, plain water. So later on, you
So,
can yes, change it
so
to A channel. Yes, tell
okay,
me.
only change to NL. So my question
Yes.
is, so
Mhm.
as you told, how many times should I wash the sample manager? 3 times.
Yes, 3 to 4. Yeah,
Three
minimum
to
is a
four.
3 times. Yeah. 4 or 5 times is
Okay,
recommended.
three to four. That will be your 20.
20
That
cycles.
20 cycles
20
and 20 that
Yes. Seconds.
another
Yes.
seconds,
Yes.
right?
Yes. Yes.
And
Yes. Exactly.
quaternary solvent manager. Let me see this one.
Yes. Right
Okay.
click.
So it is not coming rightly.
It
Okay.
will come.
So first prime the seal. How many times?
Yes. That it will take for 5 minutes. Just if you enable the seal wash, it automatically takes for the 5 minutes. And after the
Okay.
2 or 3 minutes, you can disable the seal wash, and you can go
Okay.
with the pump priming.
Pump prime solvent.
Yes, prime
This one,
solvents.
right?
Yes, prime solvent. Yes, prime solvents.
Okay.
Yes.
So pump priming should be how many times?
Pump priming will be each channel you can give for 3 minutes, or if you are not using regularly, then after a week, if you come and start using it, then you can give it the 5 minutes for each channel. All the
Oh,
channels
5
will be
minutes.
5 minutes. Yes.
So okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, just click on that. Yeah, just right click on the QSM.
QSR,
Yeah,
QSM,
QSM. Prime solvents.
prime solvents. Okay.
Yes. So here the duration per line is there, right? So you can
This
see.
is 3 minutes, right?
Yeah, 3 minutes. If you are not using for a longer time, then you can give it as 5 minutes or 4 minutes.
5 minutes.
Individual,
Okay.
yes, individual channels also will be primed for 5 minutes. Then later on, you can give the final conditions with the water or PBS. Exactly. Okay.
Okay.
So then it
So
will be done.
one of my question is why
Mhm.
did you keep that only B channel? Suppose say for example that is 100. Others should
Mhm.
be on. So what does that mean?
In the final conditions, B channel, it is having the water, only the plain water.
Okay.
So after priming all the lines, see, the very first thing is seal wash. So we are
Okay.
wetting the pump seals with water or solvents. Then
Mhm.
once the seal wash is filled with the solvent of seal wash mobile phase, then it goes to the
Correct.
pump. It clean the pump seals. So before pump priming, the seal wash should be done. So that is the first thing. And the second thing, the pump priming. The pump will gets the washing. The pump heads will be there. Piston and everything will gets clean with the help of pump priming. So then the final step is flow. So once the pump gets primed, so we are giving the flow. So now I have primed all the channels. A is having the PBS, B, C, D is having the water, only water. We have primed all the channels differently. Then I will be giving the final set condition as the water to the column, because the column earlier I stored with the 80 water and 20% methanol. Now if I pass directly the flow as 0.5 and the A channel is 100%, the flow will go through the A channel only, that is having the PBS. PBS again,
Okay.
without column washing, it may mix up with the earlier solvent stored in the column. So that's what I am recommending, to flush with the column properly with the
So
solvent,
B, so
water
so
and
the
solvent.
B channel. Let me see. B channel is for column only.
No. I said no. All the channels for column only. B channel we
Okay.
kept in Milky water. B, C, D, all the channels we have kept in Milky water.
That's
So
correct.
we will, yes, we will be giving the 100% as B channel. Then it will take the flow from B. Then it will go to the column. No problem. If you have already washed the column with the water, you ensure that everything is fine. After the priming gets completed, you can click to the final conditions. Then you can directly set the buffer flow only in the A channel. Anyway, A channel is 0, I have kept it. Instead of B, you can go with the A if the column is washed with the water earlier. Understand?
So if I keep, what if I keep C100, B0
Yes.
and B0, is
Yes.
it also
That also fine. Yeah, that also fine. That also will
that
take from
also
the water
fine?
only. Yes, because B, C, D, all the channels, it has been inserted in only water.
Water.
Okay. Yes, only water. That is the criteria. Okay. Now you can close this one.
Okay, close.
Yeah. Now the instrumentation ready. So let the
So I'm
like
closing this one, huh?
yeah, just yeah, you can close this.
You have the access, I think.
Now I have the
don't
access.
think- Yeah.
Yes, I have closed it. Now you go to the hardware. You just focus the camera on the Dawn as well as the Optilab.
I don't think the length will allow this much, but
Okay,
let
no,
me,
not okay, not an issue, not an issue.
this much I can
Okay,
go.
okay, no, not an issue. You just little bit come back, side, little bit come back.
Okay. Is it visible? No, I think so.
No. Just
Okay. Actually, okay, so
yeah. So now the flow is going from the pump to the column, and it is going to the detector as well. So in the
okay.
detector display, the laser is on, right? Laser is on, DLS is on.
Oh, let me see this one.
You can go.
Laser is
Yes.
on, it's showing.
Yes. Yes.
DLS power on,
Yes.
comet
Comet.
off.
Yeah, comet off, not an issue. Now the flow is going to the detector and it is going to the Optilab. So the
Okay.
Optilab is called as RI detector. In the RI
And
detector,
the
the purge should be on for some time.
purge is off.
Off.
Should I
Off
switch on
now.
it?
Yeah. Yes. Yes. You turn it on.
Okay.
Yes. So let it be go for
LED is off. It is showing LED off.
LED off. LED you
No,
can
LED should be on. LED is
yes,
on.
LED is on and purge also it will be on
On.
mode only.
Just now
Yes.
I switched on.
Yes. So yeah. So now we are flushing with water for 5-10 minutes with the column with the same setup in the purge mode, and I will change it to again. I will turn off the purge off. Then the flow goes to the normal mode. Then the entire system, like the HPLC and the Dawn Optilab, all the system gets stabilized in water, like the flushing, the initial setup with the water. Then later you can change it to the PBS.
Okay.
Okay, we let it go for the 5-10 minutes. And the next important thing I told you in the Dawn, you have to see the forward monitor. Now the flow is going on. What is the percentage of the forward monitor?
What is
The
the
Dawn
percentage of
forward monitor. Forward monitor.
forward monitor? It is displayed in this one, Optilab,
Yes, in the Dawn. The
in the
Dawn.
DOM, right?
The Dawn in the right side in the graph. Yeah, that is
Yeah,
in ready
forward monitor is says it's ready.
ready. In the downside of the graph, in the Dawn, the graph is there, right? The
Yeah,
graph,
yeah, grip.
no. Like in the Dawn only, in the Dawn display, there is a
Yeah.
graph. Yes,
Oh,
the graph.
graph is
Yes,
going
yes.
from. So forward monitor percentage, it is showing 93.3.
Yes, exactly. That will be fine. So once you start the instrument with the water flow or mobile phase flow, the forward monitor comes to like above 85% or above 80%. So then your the laser, whatever it is passing, it is nothing is obstructing the light path, and your output signal is getting recorded properly. Okay. This is
Okay.
for forward monitor for the Dawn, and you can for Optilab also you can check the forward monitor. You just click on the graph in the Optilab graph.
In the
In the
graph.
Optilab, there is an option called after the dashboard
Yeah,
graph.
yeah.
Yes.
I have
Yes.
I have seen
In
this.
the
So
yeah.
in forward monitor, it is showing just bit above 96 forward monitor.
Yes. That will be fine. That will be fine.
95, between 95 and 96 now.
Yeah, exactly. The forward monitor it is be in blue color. So accordingly, the signal whichever is capturing in the like blue color coded, you can see, and it will be like the recording will be done as per the respective thing. Okay.
Okay.
So yes. So now we'll wait for another 5 minutes, 5 to 10 minutes. So let it properly wash with the water, completely in a purge as well as the system and everything. Then we can immediately change it to the PBS. So earlier we have already done the priming for the A channel. So slowly we can increase the buffer to the column and the system as well after 5 to 10 minutes of time.
Okay.
So after 5 minutes, you can switch off the purge, only the purge. After 5
5
minutes.
minutes. So it
Yes,
is
after 5 minutes.
okay.
Yes,
So
11:30.
11:35.
11:35, you can switch off the purge and so then the the water flow, let it be go for normal direction. So in everything, and let me check the pressure also. Okay, fine. Now if you see in the HPLC connect, the pump
Just a
pressure we have to yes.
HPLC connect.
In the HPLC Connect software, the pump pressure is the right 101936 and the 0.5 flow, and the B channel is having the 100% flow rate, 100% composition, and it is from the water. So the delta PSI, this is a fluctuation in the pressure. So it is around 20-22 PSI. That is the difference between the maximum pressure and the minimum pressure within a time. And it is
So where
below
should I
50.
look into? Kaushik ji, just tell me, where should I look into?
No, you just go to the PC, the PC, the software.
PC.
Now, yes.
Okay. So,
Not in the hardware, you just put the camera over here.
so my cursor, is it working, the cursor at all?
I will just disable the control. You can access it.
Okay,
Yes.
now it
Yes. Now the HPLC Connect, the pump module and the sample measure all are in ready state. So the PSI, that what you call the
This
system
one.
pressure. Yes, the column pressure. There is no much fluctuations. The same difference can be seen here in the down. Here in the downside of 21 PSI is the right. In the B is 100%. B 100% is there. The downside.
100% is there, yeah.
Yes, in the
This one,
downside of B,
20.
yeah, 20
Delta
PSI. Yes.
PSI is 2022.
Yes, delta PSI. Yeah, it's a maximum and a minimum back pressure over the last minute. So if the pressure is more than 60 or 70, then there is a issue in the pump side. So maybe the pump has not been properly washed or any leakage or anything. So it won't get stabilized. So this is called stabilization in the LC, like HPLC or HPLCs. If there is a much fluctuations, then we can consider the pressure is not stable. Then the LC equipment is not stable. If it is not stable, if you are running the analysis or any testing any samples, you may get you may not get the proper results because the pressure is the main thing. The flow and everything depends on the pressure and everything all are correlated. So everything should be in the proper manner. So this should be below 50 psi, the delta psi. So now the water flow is fine, and you can go to the OptiLab display. You can turn off the purge.
Yeah.
Go to the OptiLab display. OptiLab detector.
So I'm turning off the purge
Turning off the
in
purge.
OptiLab.
Yes, OptiLab. Yes, fine.
It is now off.
Yes, that is off, and the LED will be on, and the laser and everything will be on in the all the modules.
Yeah.
Okay.
In OptiLab, LED is on.
Okay.
Okay. And the purge is also off.
Okay.
It's done. And the graph is for forward monitor. It is showing the blue line is showing around 95 and the yellow line is showing just above 95, just above.
Yeah, yellow line you have to calculate in the left side. So the blue line is in the right side, whatever the markings for blue line, it is in the right side. The right side in the y-axis, we have kept the forward monitor. So correspondingly, whatever readings in the right side, the y-axis, you can take it for the forward monitor. And the yellow color line, it comes from the left side. So that reading, you can take it from the DRI value. The yellow color, there will be a 1.2 like e power minus 4 or 5, right? That is your output signal for the RI, like differential refractive index unit for the RI. So that you have to consider. And here in the dawn, you can see the system status. Forward monitor is ready. The dawn display.
In the dawn display, the forward monitor, the yellow line is saying 93.5. And the blue line is showing 93.75.
Okay. Here also the yellow line, whatever it is starting in the left side, on the left side y-axis, the yellow line is called as detector voltages. We have kept it in
LD detector, 5 volts.
Yes, 0.5 or something. That is called the output voltage for the detector. The yellow line indicates the value, the system value. It is around like 0.8 or 0.5. It's come from the y-axis in the left side. The forward monitor, it calculates the value whatever it's marked in the right hand side in the y axis. Yes. So now, yeah, let the flow goes in.
Just a moment.
For another-
Just a moment. Just a moment. Let me write. Okay. Okay. So,
Yes.
so what should be the values in OptiLab and this thing you told me?
The forward monitor should be around above 85% forward monitor.
What monitor of OptiLab?
Optilab 85 as well as Dawn also above 85%.
Okay, so 85%, right?
Yes, yes. Minimum is the 85.
Minimum.
Yeah, minimum is the 85. It usually comes above 85 only. If the forward monitor is above 85, you will get a good like ready state for the forward monitor signal in the display. It
So
shows us
what is about the refractive index in OptiLab?
no, there is no limit actually. It will be changing according to the solvents. Yeah. In the
Okay.
DRI, RI value it will be coming close to 0. You can in the graph of OptiLab, you can press the option called 0 DRI. Correct. You can go to the detector OptiLab display.
Yeah,
There is
OptiLab display.
there is option called 0 DRI and above the graph.
Zero DRI. Yeah,
Yes,
it is
yes,
showing.
yes. Yes, you press the 0 DRI. It is nothing but it's stabilizing the baseline with a 0.
Okay.
Corresponding to 0. So there is no limit for the signal. It should come like this or like that.
Okay.
So let it be that state. And for the Dawn, the LS detector for the Dawn 8.
Yeah.
The LS detector, it will be around, if you are flushing with water, the maximum voltage, it can go up to 0.15 volts. 0.15.
It is showing 0.08.
Then it will be fine. Yeah, then it is fine. It will be
Okay.
the minimum is 0.07 to 0.15. So if it is lying in between the range, the water, the quality of the water is good, and the flushing of the system is good, and the output of the signal, everything is good. So if it is lying within the range, then our system is very good and it will be stabilized much easier. If you find any discrepancy, the limit is not matching, then it may give you a pretty bad baseline.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we are flushed with water, so another 2 or 3 minutes we will wait. Actual procedure, you have to flush it completely with water for half an hour or something. For your training purpose, we are cut shorting it for the how the system works for the water and other solvents and the purging and everything. Yeah. So that is so main idea. You have to flush completely with water for an hour. So if you use the PBS or any kind of buffers, so it should be flushed completely with water thoroughly, including the column, system, everything. Okay. Yeah, Somikji, now yeah, we can able to see the system PC. Can come to the PC.
I'm able to see the system.
PC. Now we can change the flow to the PBS. Yes,
This one,
you
no?
click on yes.
That
You
is
can
what
click on yes in the pump flow. We have to change it. You click on the 0.5 ml flow. No,
So that is
no need to. Yeah. We are not going to give the priming. Directly click on the 0.5 is there, right? In the 0.5. Yes,
Yes.
anywhere. Yeah. You click the yes. Now let the 0.5. Yes. Now the flow rate is there. 0.5 you have set the flow rate. Now you edit the flow rate as 0.1.
0.1
The flow.
flow rate.
Yeah, in the flow. 0.5 is the 0.1 you can edit. Yes.
Yeah.
So you can yeah. Now you click on the solvent A. Yeah. Solvent A. You just delete it and you give the solvent A as 100%.
100%, right?
Yes, 100%.
And
Yes.
solvent
Then
B
you
0.
yeah you click on B. It will automatically comes to 0. Yes. Yeah. That's it. Now we
Then
are
that-
yes. Now directly you can click on the green button tick mark. Yes. Yes. Once you give that one, automatically the flow changes from flow gets reduced to 0.5 to 0.1 and the channel gets changed to A. Yes. Okay. Now what we done in the initial, so we have performed the seal wash, we have performed the pump priming, and we have performed the sample manager priming. So everything is get washed with the water, and we have passed the solvent of water through the column and through the Dawn and OptiLab. The entire system gets stabilized in the water, and even we have flushed the puzzle with the water also in RI, and normal mode also we have flushed with water. So entire system it has been flushed with water completely, including the column. So ideally, this washing should be practiced for an hour, like every day. That will be like much safeguarding your column as well as the system without the blocking of any buffers and other things. Okay. So now slowly we have to switch over to the buffer. So 0.1 flow rate I have given. Our criteria is the 0.5 flow rate for our analysis for the BSA run. Now I have kept it in 0.1. Now Soumikji, you can click on the 0.1 flow rate ML or anywhere you can click and you can increase the slowly the flow rate.
This
Yes.
also.
Yes. You can click anywhere and you can increase the flow rate as 0.2. Slowly you can increase the flow rate as 0.2. Yes. So these columns every time you can increase the flow rate as very gradually. Okay, don't give 0.5 or 0.5 at a two whenever it is with the buffer. Yeah, you click apply. Yes. So anyhow, there will be a ramping will be there, slow ramping will be there. Now there will be a 0.2, it came. Yes. Yes, let it be now the delta PSI let the column and it stabilize in the 0.2 flow also. The delta PSI comes below 50 or something. And again you change the flow rate as 0.3. So gradually you increase it, then you won't see the much difference or any malfunction in the column side as well as the system side. If you're giving a sudden like water to buffer, then there will be a choking will happen in the column side as well as the instrument side. Okay. To avoid this, you can gradually increase the flow rate.
Now should I increase this one?
Yeah, just a minute. Yeah,
This
you
one.
can increase it. Yes, you can increase the flow rate as 0.3. Point 0.3. Let the pressure get stabilized for some time. So after that, you can change the like flow rate as 0.4 also. Yeah, you can change it to 0.4. Yes, click on tick mark. You can increase the flow rate to 0.5 as well. Yes. Yeah, fine. So ideally, we don't have any set temperature for BSA run and sample temperature is in off only. If that is the case, you just click if you want to give any set temperature for sample as well as the column module, you can set the temperature in the sample manager module.
Okay, so for
yes,
BSA 25 degree recommended.
yes, yeah, it is no 25 also. It's ambient only, so it is no need to keep the 25 also. So let it be
Okay,
in ambient temperature also only. If you wish to
Right.
set any temperature, yeah, for your protein samples, you can click on the off button. Yeah, you click there. Yes, you can edit any temperature. It will come 25 or something. And you click
25,
apply.
right?
Yes, 25. If you click on the yes, then it will be coming there. Yes. If you don't want, you can click again on the 25. 25 is the set temperature. Now the current temperature is 21.8. Yeah. Click the 25. Current temperature of the column and the sample will be 25. You just press 0. Yeah, just select
Zero.
all. And yeah, you just
So
0.
so column temperature you're keeping 0.
Yes, yes, no, 0 in the sense, just we have to turn it off. You just press 0 and you just enable the tick mark, then it will come to ambient only. Yes.
This
Enter
one,
0.
right?
Yeah. Yes, enter 0 and press the tick mark. Yes. Yeah. So 0 in the sense off mode. You can turn it off. Okay. Now, yes, so okay. So we can see the pressure here. The 0.5 is the flow rate we are going to run. 1700 psi is the pressure for this column, and the delta PSI is 17. So we have a pretty good system pressure. And to ensure the real-time events for the HPLC, you can click on any of the model, right click on the sample manager or coordinate solver manager. There will be an option called launch console. Samiji, you can click on
Just a moment. This is launch console. Which one is this one?
yes, in the sample manager or anywhere. No, in the here only. Yes, in the HPLC Connect. Yes, right click. Yeah. In any of the models, right? Yes, launch console. Yes, launch console. So there will be another screen gets popped up. So that is having a real-time presentation of the graphical flow rate, temperature, and pressure. Everything you can able to monitor here. Yeah, you can maximize it.
It's right. It's done, right?
Yes, maximum. And you can the left side the system. In the downside of the system, there will be a coordinate solver manager. In the left side of the system.
Okay. This one, right?
No, in the left
This
top
one?
corner. Yes.
Oh.
That,
Right click.
yes. No. Click, double click on it. Just click.
Okay.
Yes. This is the screen I was telling you in the training. So we can able to see the graph, the QSM system pressure in the very first. It is coming as a straight line. So the flow is going on. So there will be a straight line. Then we can able to see it has not been disturbed for a long time. If you want to wish to see the plot properties for the for the previous hour or 1 or 2 hours, you can able to right click on the this one QSM system pressure. You can right click.
System
No,
pressure.
no, in the graph only. Yes, in the graph anywhere. Yeah, you can right click. Yeah, right click on the graph. Plot properties. Yes. The timing you can change it to 1 or 2 hours. Here the data that is in the minutes actually. So before is the hours. The before there is one option that is 12. No. Complete. Or here also see the left side there will be a option called 1 hour. 1 hours. No, here time is the see 0 minutes you are editing here. In the adjacent to that there is a yes. 1 or 2 hours. What are the hours you want? You can 2 hours you can see. Yes, you can press OK. Yes, so there will be no flow rate at the time. So we are given the flow. So it has been you can able to easily track what happened in the only in the system LC system for the past 1 or 2 hours. Okay, this is the easiest way. Okay, for your understanding, you can able to verify these things, and you can click on the sample manager in the left side below the QSM.
Sample manager, right?
Sample manager. Yes. So there also will be we can able to see the sample temperature and the column temperature, everything as well. Okay, yes. That's it. Total, the injection has been done in the sample manager around 35 injections. Maybe in the factory, they have tested some of the injections. After coming here, hardly we injected around maybe 10 injections, I guess. Okay. So injections count will be keep on increasing. Once you are keeping the sample vials in the sample tray, you are giving any sequence or analysis, the injection gets increased every time.
Okay.
Yes, it gets accumulated. That is accumulated total of number of injections has been completed in the instrument. Yeah. Okay. So
This
we can
35 times injection is for today or the
no,
total?
not today. Not today. The total from the manufacturing of the instrument, the total. So today we have not given any injections. Today we have given only the flow. Injection in the sense we have not filled any vial. We have not injected anything, right? We have not started the analysis. Just we are giving the flushing. we have not injected any samples or any standards. So that is called the injection. So total when the instrument manufacturing, that will be around the 35 injections. Okay, you can minimize this one.
This
Yeah.
one minimum.
Yeah, minimize it. Yeah, let the pressure is getting very stable, and we can go to the detector part, the detector display, the RI and Dawn. The forward
Alright.
motor is ready. Yes, you can go in front of the
Camera.
system. Yeah, no, system. So it is focused on you can click on the dashboard of OptiLab. In the OptiLab,
Dashboard on OptiLab. Yeah.
yes, yes, dashboard you can click. Yes. Now you can turn on the purge mode on.
Just a moment. May I keep the camera here? I can show you something. Okay. So this is pretty handy.
Oh.
So is it showing?
Yes, 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 it is visible. Now a little bit
So
upside. It is not
upside.
yeah, it is not little bit clear, clumsy. Maybe due to the digital display, it is not capturing
Closer.
things properly. Yeah, it is still blur. Just little
Still
bit
blur.
upside. Yes, that is still blur.
Okay. So let me keep it here.
Yeah, that is fine. Yeah, that is fine. This looks fine. Yes, this looks fine.
Okay. So
The
I
first,
will go to dashboard.
yeah, you went to the dashboard. Now the signals all are in red state only. Yeah,
Yeah,
red
yeah.
state. None of the signals has not been come to the ideal state. You just see the dawn display also. The dawn also only the forward monitor is in green state. Remaining all it is in red state. It has to come to green state. Then only we can start our analysis. And in the OptiLab, you can switch on the purge now. The purge in the LED below the LED option there is an option called purge. Yeah, just
Purge,
click it on. Yes, yes, turn on.
Switch on, right? Purging.
Yes, yes, switch on. Yes, turn on. Yes, it's a touch display, so you can turn it on. So you have to flash in the purge mode for like at least on half an hour to 1 hour. 1 hour is the recommended time. Then you can later on you can turn off the purge mode. Then after that you can give the flow with the same setup, like the 0.5 PBS and everything with the flow goes through the column and the entire system with the for another 1 hour. So within these 2 hours time, once you give the PBS flow and 2 to 3 hours time, you will get all the signals stable in the dawn as well as OptiLab. Okay, so that is
Okay.
our idea. So 2 to 3 hours should be the ideal time. So we have started the flushing by around 10:30 it seems. So we have done the pump priming, seal wash, needle wash and everything done. This is called a startup. These startup techniques, it will take an hour. If you flush each and every channel properly, you connect the column, you flush out the pump and everything. So once the pump pressure in the HPLC gets stabilized and column temperature, if you have, the set temperature has been achieved and the detector signals has been stable in the water, as well as in the purge mode also we have flushed within the water. So these everything has been called as a startup RF flushing for the instrument in the column. So this time it will take hardly like 1 hour maximum time. We can utilize properly the 1 hours for flushing the entire system with the column. And the second part is before running your analysis, that also should be washed with the particular mobile face, PBS or any organic mobile face or anything, any mobile face you are going to keep it on the system. So that also should be primed completely and wash everything. And the purge mode should be on for an hour. So like after an hour, you will get a stable like signals, green signals in the
Okay, just
OptiLab.
let me interrupt you. So purging should be like 1 hour, right? Or
Yes,
before
1 hour.
starting.
Yes, yes, yes. Before starting 1 hour, 1 hour, 1 hour
Okay,
with the
then
mobile
you have
face, and you
written
can
1 hour turn one after 1 hour. In
you can-
OptiLab, turn the purge option display for left to be 1 hour, right? That is
yes,
the
yes,
main.
yes. That is the main. Yes, that is the main. So you can turn off the purge after 1 hour. So once like after turning off the purge, let it wait for 1 hour. You just see the system. You can check the like instrument pressure for the HPLC, whether there is a disturbance or not. If that is clear, then you come to the dawn. You can check the signals. You can check the forward monitor in the dawn as well as the OptiLab. The forward monitor you can see, and all the signals, the health indicators showing in the dawn as well as in the OptiLab. So everything gets stable in the ready state or green. Then you can start your analysis. So this is the practice for the startup as well as the like instrument flushing and stabilizing the instrument, startup flushing or stabilizing the instrument before your analysis. So these mandatory maybe 1 to maximum of 3 hours should be followed compulsorily. So to make your like workflow efficiently, as well as there won't be any deviations in your results, and also to safeguard the instrument as well. Yeah. Is it clear, Somik?
Yeah, it's clear.
Yeah. Let the purge goes on for an hour.
An
And
hour. Now it is
an hour.
12, around 12 noon,
Yes, 12.
11:55.
Yes,
So
we can.
let
Yes,
so I
we
will go
can.
for lunch
Yeah, that will be fine.
and within
I'll be
30 minutes
yeah.
I'll come back.
Yes. I'll be disconnecting from this. So this video will be recorded here, and then later, after an hour, you turn off the purge, let it flush for another like another half an hour or something. Then all the health indicators comes to idle. We'll start recording one more video to create the sequence and everything. So then by the time
Wait. When so after 1 hour the purge I should purge turn off the purge, right?
yes, turn off the purge. Yeah, turn off the purge. Turn off the purge.
Okay.
Yes. Turn off
Then
the purge. No need to disturb anything because we have set the flow rate as 0.5 and the flow rate
correct.
flow also coming from the A channel. So no need to
Correct.
disturb from the pump side. We have dipped the solvent channel A channel in the buffer only.
That's it.
So yes, that's it. Only the purge should be turned off after an hour. Then after and maybe around 1 to 1:30, let it go the like flow with the purge off option. So that is called the normal mode. And then our we'll see the system around 135 or 140. Then we can able to see all the signals are pretty stable. If that is stable, we can start injecting our samples. So this is the
Okay,
step.
so the
Okay.
thing is just after
Mhm.
1 hour that let it go on. Just
Yes.
1 hour, I will
Yes.
again connect and see
Yes.
and show you what are the conditions
Yes.
around
Exactly.
1 p.m. Okay?
Yes, around 1 p.m. Exactly. Okay. We can connect it.
Okay.
I will just close this call. Thank you, Sumit.
Okay.
Thank you.
So
Thank you.
I'm Kaushik here. I have one request. You have recorded this, no?
Yes,
Can you
I have
just
recorded.
okay? So just share this. I will upload it immediately in the that in my drive.
Yeah. Like actually it will come as a Microsoft Teams link. The video will be
Okay.
uploaded in a drive. So it may takes time. Once the link has been uploaded, I will share you immediately. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Okay. Thank you so much. You ping me once you are back. Thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Sorry. Yeah. এই সেগুলা বলছি যে ওই দিকটা আমি লাগিয়ে দিতে হবে, চাবিটা দিয়ে দেন, এদিকটা খোলা রাখবেন, ঠিক আছে? ওই দিকটা লাগিয়ে দিচ্ছি, এটা খোলা আছে। আচ্ছা।
Somanji. Hello.
Yeah, I can listen to you. Kaushik ji.
Yeah. Fine. Continue. Now what we will be doing? So just a second. I can see the yeah. I can.
Kaushik, just give me 2 minutes. I'll be calling those labs who are actively interested. Just 2 minutes, give me. Okay?
Yeah. No problem. Yes. It's fine, I guess. The signals.
Yeah.
So can we do one injection?
You want injection, right? Okay. So, okay. So you can see my screen, right?
Yes, yes, the screen is visible. The data, whatever we ran for BSA, that is visible.
That is visible now. So
Yes.
I should inject.
Yeah, we can close this one. I will take the control.
Okay,
We'll
the
just
screen.
approve.
Give control.
It's approved, yeah. Okay. Okay. Yes. Comic.
Yeah.
Yeah, the signals has been stable in the Dawn and Optilab, as well as here the pressure also it's stable.
Okay, just interrupting you. You are recording, right?
It is a recording only. It was going
Okay,
from
sure.
morning.
আচ্ছা,
No problem.
just a moment. One student has come. আমি এটা এখানে রাখা আছে, স্ক্রিন রেকর্ডিং করছে, দুটোই রেকর্ডিং করছে। ওকে, সো ইট ইজ রেকর্ডিং। যখন আমি ওইখানে কিছু দেখতে এই যে ক্যামেরাটা তুলে এরকম করে তুলে এরকম করে ব্যবহার হচ্ছে, ঠিক আছে? যেখানটা ফোকাস করা ধরে এখানে বা এইখানে এরকম করে করবি, বেশি কাছে নিয়ে যাবে না, আউট অফ ফোকাস হয়ে যাবে, ঠিক আছে? জাস্ট এটা এখানে এরকম করে রাখা, এটা এরকম থাকলো। ওকে, কৌশিক জি,
Yeah, so Miki.
yeah, just start. Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Now maybe I need again control, I guess.
Okay, yeah.
So the instrument connectivity has been verified. So all the instrument modules has been in ready state. So now we are going to inject the BSA. The pressure in the HPLC part is stabilized. Even the flow is stabilized. And Dawn and Optilab signals all has been stabilized with the PBS mobile phase. So we don't have a temperature control, or we did not give the temperature a set temperature. So all the signals has been stable. So now we are going to inject a BSA standard. So we are going to reproduce the results. Okay. Do you want to create the instrument method, or the same method can we use it?
So yeah, we want the training to create a instrument method, right? That is.
Yes, no problem.
So-
Yeah, no problem. Just you click on the method builder. Yeah. So you can give some name. What is the
right?
BSA? Yeah,
So,
BSA. You can
BSA?
I'll be in line. You can type the things. I will just explain you.
Okay. So
BSA,
today is
yes.
23rd June. Okay. Now it will be tab. It is in sample is for okay. So BSA standard.
Yes, BSA. Sample name
BSA
BSA. Yes.
BSA standard. Standard. STA. DA update for video. Okay.
Okay. Here downside it is a protein. You can take
Yeah.
other option. Yes. So in the operation method, we'll be selecting only the separation. So nothing should be selected.
Okay.
Save the method as, so where we have to save the method. So we have you just go to the C drive. Sorry, D drive, I guess. Yeah, D drive. Yeah, click on, yeah, open, and just a second. So here we have our D lab one folder is there.
Okay, so yeah. So this should be like only segment. They have different protein, right? BSA is not their protein. So
Okay. Then we can
create one folder. New
yes,
folder.
you can create one folder. Yeah. Today's date you can create one folder. BSA underscore today's date, same.
PSA underscore, that is 2306
2024.
It's done. Next.
Okay. Next. Yeah, it will take some.
It will take it's
Now you can click on the HPLC connect in the left side. Single tick. Yeah. I'm just doing some other things. Just a second.
Now UV, right?
Yes, UV. Digital UV, you have to select it.
Already UV selected.
So wavelength is 280. That will be fine. And light scattering. So already the serial number has been selected. You can verify the serial number from the instrument. So here 4477338. Okay. Flow cell is fused silica, and DLS it won't capture the serial number. And calibration constant we have to take from the instrument. What are the value it has been saved in the instrument. You can click on the use instrument value.
Okay.
Just wait. It will. I already clicked it, so it will take some time. So the value will be fed here. Yeah, this is the value stored in the instrument. So every instrument method, you have to use the value it has been fed to the instrument. It has been stored in the instrument. So
Okay.
next thing, viscometry. We don't have viscometry here, and you can click on the RI, that is a refractometer. Yes, I ticked it. Yes. So this all the instrument configuration has been set. Auto injector receiver, it should be in always none. Then I will go to the next. Yes. The concentration BSA we are going to inject is 2 mg per ml. So I'll be yes. This is for reporting purpose. These values and all the things. Later also we can able to change it during the processing. So and yeah, DNDC value will be same. UV coefficient I'm not going to keep here. So solvent I'm using a PBS. So I'll be selecting the PBS aqueous. And duration I can give a time of maybe 35 minutes. Okay, and HPLC flow rate is 0.5. 0.5, and the vial position is 1A1. And injection volume I will be giving around 40 50 microliters. 50 microliters I will be giving. So on the processing it will be manual. So this is the step to create the instrument method, and I'll be clicking on generate. Once the method has been created, it will come here and open as an experiment. So we can give the run later option once it has been generated. Yeah. So we can give the run later because the same method we have, we can add it in the sequence. So if you want to edit any of the things in the instrument method, you can go here, double click on the HPLC instrument, and you can edit the device parameters. For HPLC, like flow rate, you want to change it, or the FTN, you have to change the set the temperature, anything. So that can be done through here. So I'm not going to set any temperature, so I'll be closing it, and I'll close this experiment. Yes, because I already the instrument method has been created here. I'll just click the no. So you have created the instrument. You can verify the instrument method of file, new experiment from method, new, and then experiment from method. You can go to the back, the very back. We have created the instrument method through method builder. So I'll be double click on the instrument method, and already he has given the date. Sorry, the folder name is 23rd June. So the instrument method it will be capturing here. So okay, if you want to do any changes, you can click here and open the instrument method. You can set the temperature and everything. So now the instrument method has been set as per my criteria. So I'm not going to change anything. I'll be closing it. Then the final thing, we have to create the sequence file, new, blank sequence. Yes.
Blank sequence is aimed for what?
Only for a sequence. So we have to give the how many injections has to run. So the runtime and everything you have to give, right? So that can be controlled through the sequence only. The instrument method, it is for giving the flow rate and what nanometer and what like the set parameters it has to run during the your analysis, during your testing. What your specifications has to go through the instruments, that will be called as instrument method. That is a set parameters called instrument method, and the sequencing is called as how many injections you have to run, how many while positions you have to take the samples, and what is the runtime, and everything will be defined here in the sequence. That is called a sequence file. And yeah, we have file. It will be done through file, new, and a blank sequence. Yes, it will be done through here, blank sequence. Already I have clicked here. So once it comes here, you can load the instrument method. You can go here and you can load the method you have created, the configuration method builder, BSA 2030 and BSA, and I'll open it. Okay, now I'm just giving the one sample. So you can click on the samples. Yeah, it has been mentioned as 1A1. That is in the tray number 1, and A row and column number is 1. So the name I will be make it as BSA. Yes, caps. Yes, BSA standard. So the flow rate, it will be predefined. So if you want to change the flow rate, you have to go back to the instrument method. So yeah, this is a method we have created. It has been already loaded. And the runtime, if you want, you can change the runtime, duration, injection volume, and ENDC. What is the concentration? If you're using your protein sample, different concentration, you can able to edit the concentration over here. Yes, so different right? So now I'll be giving a single injection. So I'll just apply, and I can able to. So this is the set condition for creating a sequence. So I'll be saving the sequence. Like right click here, you can save. So in which folder you have to save it, you can determine that one, and the same particular folder, it will be all the injections will be captured and saved under the particular folder only. So RD Labs today's, I'll just make one folder.
So write today's dates, otherwise we'll forget.
Yes.
Standard, BSA standard, right?
Yes, yeah.
BSA standard.
It's also will name it as today's date. So BSA sequence, today's date I have saved it. Once I click on the save, the sequence name will be saved here, and directly you can able to see the graph. Now the graph is empty. So that's it. Already we have configured the instrument method, and the instrument method also loaded in our sequence. And what is the while portion you have like made the entry, name, description, and how many injections you have to run. Can give from the same vial. So now currently I have kept as one injection. So it has been like loaded as a single injection. And if you want to load a multiple injections from the other vials, that also can be done. You can make an insert of rows here, and you can add it. And yeah, our signals and everything has been stable, right, Soumik? So we can directly we can give the start. Yeah.
Let me check again.
Yes.
So all the signals are in green. So in
Yeah,
the
that will be
dashboard,
fine.
I'm seeing noise is around 6.55 e to the power
Yes.
minus 9.
Okay.
Wonder if the
Okay.
drift is also green.
Okay.
And
Okay.
this one, can you
Here
see in the
also.
camera?
Yes. I can able to see. Yes.
Right. So
This
only
is
the
fine.
noise in Dawn 8,
Yes.
whatever they are showing, that is in
Mhm.
like yellow or
Like, yes, that is a warning state. So that is not an issue. we can maybe
Okay.
if it is stabilized, it will be very fine. So now we can make one injection and we
Wonder
can
and
start.
Wonder and Drift are
Yes, yes,
same.
yes,
Oh,
yes,
yeah,
yes.
yeah, it
Everything
is
is
in
fine.
green.
Yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
thank you.
Everything is fine. Yeah, come back to the our sequence. You can click on the sequence, and here there is a run option. You can directly give the run button. Swami, can you take the control and you can give the press the run?
Yeah, sure.
The top side of here there is a run.
Top side on the right.
No, here where my cursor is placed. So method builder,
Yeah,
it is next to the method builder. No, here in the top side. Next to the method builder.
Next to the method. Okay, this one, run, right?
Yes, run. Yes, exactly. Yeah, now it will show us validating sequence, and simultaneously you can able to see the hardware screen in the instrument display front panel. So once the signal has been passed, it starts to appear as collecting data. So our data collecting, it will come, preparing for sequence run and waiting for auto inject signal will come. So we have verified already the while position, it was in 1, right? Morning. You can see the Dawn and Optilab screen. The data start to collect, right? In the front panel. Yeah. So now here is the
Kaushik ji, here Amresh has a question. So, hello.
yeah, tell me.
Can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Tell me.
So my question is the number of injection is the number of replicates, right?
Yeah, number of injections, number of replicates. Yes.
So after finishing one injection, the second injection will start immediately, or there will be some was that will be that will be have occurring
No.
automatically by the system.
Automatically, it is automation. So automatically it will take the second injection, very next injection. If you want to give a stabilization or like a flow for the next injection, you can add a blank injection without the sample or protein. So in the
Okay.
next row, it is in the different vial you can add it, and that will be like you can call it as a stabilization. Then after that, different concentration you can add it in the next row. If you want to do a replicate of same vial, like a
Yes.
same standards, then that can be added in the number of injections. Okay.
Okay. So I need not to do anything. So it will be
Yes.
done
Yes.
automatically.
Yes. If you want to do a replicate injections, you can do it from the same vial. But now currently, whatever the vial I have kept it, that is of 2 ml vial holder.
Yeah.
2 ml vial. So sample should be the minimum residual volume should be like 400 microliters or 360 microliters. The minimum should be there. So just keep make in mind, and that should be minimum sample should be there. Otherwise, you won't get a peak here. Your sample it won't be loaded to the instrument.
Okay. So if I want to do 2 injections, then more or less I have to load more than 400
Yes.
microliter,
Yes.
right?
Exactly. And
Thank you.
Swamiji, we can able to switch out to the other teams meet, I guess. So whatever the link I have shared with Leo, right?
Okay.
So did you get an invite for the around 2 o'clock schedule? So maybe I will be ending it here.
Okay, let me see.
This
So this is the main application training, right? This is what
yes. Yeah, yes, exactly.
This one?
Through this you can yes. Now you can join this one. I will also joining the meeting. Now this one you can end it. Now there is a leave button here. We can end this one.
Wait. Join the conversation, not this one. Let me go to
Just go to the teams.
the teams, okay?
Yeah, go to the teams. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, now there is an option called leave in the right hand side top corner. Just press that one.
Okay.
Yes.